Hello, welcome to yet another amazing video on this channel. Make sure to check out our other videos and give them a big thumbs up if you like them, or down one. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to make egg curry. For this recipe we're going to need eggs. I have 4 of them, a toothpick, red onion, the big one, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of mixed spices, a teaspoon of cumin powder. You can always use the spices of your choice. We have tomatoes and capsicum, coriander leaves. We have ginger and garlic paste made by me. So we are going to start by making some tiny holes in these eggs, like that. My hands are clean. Don't forget to wash your hands. It's very important for your food, for your health too. For the person eating your food. For the government. Wash your hands. Yes. So in a pan, we're going to heat a pan. I had already added some oil here. Then we're going to add our turmeric. Turmeric powder. It's good for your health. Yes. Like that. Then we're going to add our eggs. We're going to roast them for 2 minutes, 3 minutes or so, till they start turning brownish in color or golden. Yeah. Make sure they don't stick to the pan. Yes. So we are ready. Nice. Let's return them to our bowl. This is how they look like. Nice. On this, I've put some oil. Let it heat up. So we're going to add our onions. The smaller the better. Don't waste. Make sure every piece is inside the pot. Yes. Let them cook to pinkish. Then add your ginger and garlic paste. Ginger and garlic. I'm doing it, so do it. So I'm going to add our spices, stroke salt, and apart from curry powder, then I'm going to add I'll cover it for a minute or so till the tomatoes and spices are well cooked. So it has been like a minute or so. Wow. So I'm going to add our curry powder. Curry powder. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water. I'll then cover and let it cook for a minute, just a minute. Wow, this looks amazing. But if you don't like pepper, you can skip it. If you don't like too much of it, then put just a little bit. I love pepper so much. So what you're going to do now is we're going to add our eggs here. Wow, with all the goodness, all its goodness. Then we're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. It has been about 5 minutes. So we're going to check on our egg curry. Going to add our coriander leaves, and we'll be done. So this is the final product. It looks amazing. I love how it turned out. I've made this dish countless times and I love it. But guys, if you don't like pepper, don't put any kind of pepper. If you like just a little bit, put just a little bit. I love pepper. I wouldn't want you not to like this recipe because of the pepper. Try it out and tell me in the comment section below how it turned out. Mine turned out amazing. You can serve this with rice, spaghetti, anything. It's amazing. Make this meal. Niambie, subscribe. I love you. Mwah.